Well, good afternoon. We've got a demonstration here of LabView applied to a pumping system. Briefly, there's a pressure transducer, almost too small to see, right here. This puts out a millivolt output. It's a Wheatstone bridge, so it needs to have excitation, and then we need to read a voltage output across two arms of the bridge. Up high there happens to be a flow sensor. This is a paddle wheel type of flow sensor. That sensor puts out a pulse, and from that pulse a frequency can be determined, and from the frequency we can determine the flow rate. If we look at the front panel, hopefully this will work here. The front panel shows the input from the flow sensor. You can see a sine wave here, and then this is the frequency spectrum. So it shows that there's a peak frequency. It must be around 50 or 60 or 70. The program also shows what that frequency is. It turns out it's running about 80 hertz. In the block diagram, a velocity is calculated. Also a flow rate in liters per minute is calculated. I see this is difficult to see. And then down here is a signal coming from the pressure transducer. This is a millivolt signal. We can see some noise in it. Perhaps some effort could be made to clean up some of that noise. But this signal is averaged over 1/10 of a second. And then that readout in actually a very small voltage, 27 millivolts here, is converted to a pressure difference. And then we have a display. So there's big numbers over here that show the velocity and show the differential pressure. These were passed on to students in the fluids class. I'll hold the black